Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get small business emergency relief loan of $20,000. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $40,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video I will take you on a tour of its application and I will tell you each and every upside and the downside of this small business loan, and I will tell you all the eligibility criteria with the tiniest detail that you need to know. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So finally, after a lot of messages, comments and emails, here is an amazing opportunity for the city of Pleasanton, California. Yes, the state of California, you have something, but this is specifically for the people who live in the city of Pleasanton and for the businesses who are actually situated under the premises of the city of Pleasanton, California. So right here in this video, I'm going to tell you each and every detail that you need to know. And in this video, I will tell you that how you can get starting from $10,000 to $20,000 loan with zero interest and very easy terms. Yes, you have heard it right. So let's see what's the purpose of this loan. The purpose of this loan is to ease the impact of pandemic on Pleasanton businesses. The city of Pleasanton has established a $3 million business support fund, and the objective is to offer financial assistance to small businesses within the premises of city of Pleasanton. So yes, that's what it is, so keep that in mind. The other one is that the program overview is that the program provides zero interest. Yes, it's zero interest, means you won't have to pay a single penny in interest. And remember that this is an unsecured loan, means you won't have to provide or give them any collateral, so they will give you if you have suffered a loss because of the pandemic. It's a short-term loan and it's eligible independently or for locally owned businesses, so remember and keep that in mind. The loans will be allowed a maximum amortization of 36 months with repayment commencing on the first day of the month after pandemic local emergency declaration is lifted. So remember, the thing is that you are going to pay the amount or start paying the amount if the emergency because of the pandemic will be lifted. So you're good to go. We don't know that when they're gonna lift this emergency that we are facing, so I think and I believe you all have plenty of time to actually run your business with the funds, and then don't worry about the payment for a long term. But keep that in mind, you have to pay it back even though it's a zero interest loan, but at the end of the day it's a loan, so keep that in mind, right? So they'll be actually requiring all the information and of course the documents like the supporting documentation, so as soon as possible. So I'm going to tell you the eligibility requirements for this loan. So the first one is that eligible businesses must be independently or locally owned, have a physical location in the city of Pleasanton, and be in good standing with the city and have paid the city of Pleasanton 2020 business license tax by March 1st, 2020. So keep that in mind. The employees count is based on the total reported under 2020. So city business license application or renewal, businesses are eligible for the loan of up to from starting $10,000. It's of course for the micro enterprises which have the employees starting from 2 to 10 employees, and the other one is $20,000. And of course, if you have the employees starting from 11 to 25, then you can get up to $20,000 loan with zero interest, as I already told you. And remember, there are some requirements. So the first one is exactly that the loss of revenue. So if the loss of revenue or income is greater than 25% due to the pandemic, you are good to go. You can apply for this. And the other one is that action take to secure federal and state resources and financial assistance. So keep that in mind. But what are the things that you can use this loan for? Like, you can use this loan to cover payroll, rent, mortgage, working capital, or other businesses to cover operational expenses. Eligible businesses must be able to demonstrate the following, and I already told you about both of them. But remember, when it comes to that when you and where you can use these funds for, you can use it pretty much for anything that is related to your business, so don't worry about it. Now let's see how the application looks like. So I'm going to see, and I will take you on a tour of it, so please bear with me till the end of this video to know the tiniest detail that you need to know. So now let's see how the application looks like, and the countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this page will open. All you need to do, they are saying that you must be logged in to start a new application. So keep that in mind, that all you need to do, you need to put your email address right here, your password, your first name and the last name, and then click on the new account. So as soon as you click on the new account right here, they will send you a link of the application. All you need to do, you need to click on that link and the application will open, and then you need to fill out that application step by step. Remember, you are going to upload the supporting documents on that application, and the supporting documents means your profit and loss statement or your business bank statement, because you need to show them that you have suffered a loss, and pretty much every business suffered a loss because of the pandemic. So I believe you all will be good to go. If you have any questions about it, if you want to know anything about it, or if you want to know the grants in your state, in your city, so please let me know in the comment below. I will post the grants of your specific state, city and county, so please let me know in the comment below, and like this video if you like our content. It helps the channel grow. Thank you so much, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $40,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.